I want you to go on this bagel making adventure with me. So I'm using Joshua Weissman's New York style bagel recipe as a reference, and then I did my own modifications. So I will put that in the description as well as his recipe. And now I'm checking the dough after the first proof, and I'm pushing it down, and then I'm going to transfer it onto a bench, and I am separating it into 8 equal pieces so that I have 8 equal size bagels. And then I had this grandiose idea to do cinnamon raisin swirl bagels like Panera, and I'm not gonna say it was a fail, but between me trying to follow his recipe and me trying to remember how to make bagels from culinary school, it was a bit of a ride, but we got there. They look pretty even, so I'm happy. It's been like 12 years since I made bagels, so it's okay. So now we're covering them with a cloth, and I'm putting them back in the oven to proof at about 90 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm satisfied with the rise that I got on these. So now it's time to boil them. So I have water boiling here. Next time I will put a little bit of sugar in the water, but that's okay. They still turned out pretty well. And I give them a boil. You want to do this for 1 minute up to 2 minutes. It depends on how chewy you want your bagels. And now we're brushing them with egg wash, and they go into the oven. I did 2 batches of 4, so we're just staggering those batches, and then she's doing the second egg wash on the second batch of bagels, and they are baking for about 15 to 20 minutes, and here they are. They look so beautiful. So now we're deciding which one to cut. I am definitely going to re-upload this as an ASMR because it is hilarious, us going back and forth about these bagels. Next time I will toast them and add a little bit more sugar to the dough, but other than that, they were really good. I'm obviously splitting it up amongst my crew here. The big one does not want cream cheese, the little one does. They're happy, I'm happy. 10 out of 10 will do again.